Listen, not with your ears, but with the part of you that has been tired for far too long. This is not a message for the world. This is a letter written just for your soul. The soul that smiles in front of people but cries when the lights are off. The soul that prays yet wonders why the pain hasn't left. The soul that keeps saying I'm fine while quietly breaking inside. If you are listening to this, know this first. You were never forgotten. Not for a second. Not in your darkest night. Not in the moment you felt abandoned. Allah sees you. I know you are tired. Not just tired in the body, tired in the heart. Tired of trying. Tired of hoping. Tired of being strong when you feel weak. You've carried pain that no one clapped for. You survived storms no one even noticed. And yet, you are still here. That alone is a sign Allah did not keep you alive by accident. You ask silently, why me? Why this pain? Why do I pray and still struggle? Why does relief feel so far? But listen carefully, beloved soul. Not every delay is a rejection. Not every hardship is a punishment. And not every silence means Allah has turned away. Sometimes Allah is protecting you, not punishing you. Sometimes He is preparing you, not ignoring you. What feels like emptiness is often a clearing. What feels like breaking is often a rebuilding. Your tears are not wasted. Do you know this? Every tear you cry in patience, every sigh you release in sujood, every night you whisper, Ya Allah, when no one else hears, they are all collected. Allah is closer to your broken heart than you are to your own pain. He hears the dua you were too tired to say out loud. He understands the prayers you couldn't find words for. Even your silence is a form of dua. O soul burdened by regret, you keep replaying the past. Mistakes, wrong choices, moments you wish you could erase. But listen to this truth. Your past does not cancel your worth. Your sins do not outweigh Allah's mercy. Your lowest moment does not define your ending. If Allah allowed you to feel regret, it's because He wants to forgive you. Doors are still open. Mercy is still descending. Your story is still being written. And Allah is the best of writers. You say, I don't know where I'm going, but Allah does. You say, I don't see a way out, but Allah already placed one, just not where you're looking. Guidance doesn't always feel like light. Sometimes it feels like being stripped of what distracted you. Sometimes Allah removes people. Sometimes He removes plans. Sometimes He removes comfort, not to harm you, but to return you to Him. Because the heart was never created to rely on anything else. Stop terrifying yourself with tomorrow. You are not asked to carry your entire life today. You are only asked to trust Allah right now. That future you fear, Allah is already there, and He is kinder to you than you are to yourself. The same Allah who carried you through what you thought would destroy you will carry you through what's coming. You don't need to know how. You only need to know who. Nothing you suffered was random. Nothing you endured was meaningless. One day, not now, but one day, you will look back and realize that heartbreak softened you. That loss redirected you. That delay protected you. That pain brought you closer to Allah. And you will say, now I understand. Until then, trust. You are not late. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are becoming. Be gentle with yourself. Speak to yourself with mercy. Return to Allah not because you are perfect, but because you are in need. And Allah loves those who come to Him broken. If no one told you this today, hear it now. Allah chose you. Allah sees you. Allah is with you. And what is coming will heal what has been hurting. Hold on. Your soul is safe in His hands.